Nighttime automotive safety is a real thing, and we're gonna cover it in this video. We've got a big road trip coming up, but it's also getting later in the year to where it gets darker so much earlier. So we wanted to take a really close look at nighttime safety. Specifically, in our case, nighttime safety while you're towing an RV or a trailer of some sort. The best way to handle nighttime safety is increase your visibility and increase your ability to see. And we've got two products today that will solve both of these problems. So let's dive right in. Now, first off, both of these products come from a company by the name of Nilight, and I will put links in the description for these products as well as any of their other products. They have tons of products, but these are the ones that we're going to be checking out specifically today. And I think we'll start with this one because it's the most curious. This one you can kind of get an idea for what's probably inside there. So this is the one. It's in a nondescript box that says made in China. When we open it up, we don't have much more for answers as far as what the heck we even have. But inside this bag, we get this. Now this is a giant 60-inch, that's about 5 feet, stick-on truck tailgate light bar. Now this is like dead simple. It installs by peeling this little sticky tape off and then sticking it onto your truck and then just splicing these wires into the relevant plugins. Now, what exactly does this do and how is it different from some of the other ones that are out there? This one is a 5-row, I'll hold it up here so you guys can see, of LED lights, and it includes all kinds of functions. So it's not just left and right, it also does brake lights, marker lights, left turning signal, right turning signal, and backup lights. So when you're just regularly driving down the road, it super increases nighttime visibility so that everyone can see you. It makes it very easy to see if you're turning or stopping, which is a huge deal. Now, if you want something like this, they're about $45 on Amazon. I will put a link in the description. The actual install we're gonna look at in a different video, mostly because the install is dead simple for that. But the install for the second product that we're gonna look at is a little bit harder, so I didn't wanna do all the installs in one video. Those are all coming up in a different video. So why don't we just dive right into the unboxing of the light bar as soon as we pay some bills. Gamsgo. Are you paying too much for Netflix, Spotify, Disney Plus, Crunchyroll, Duolingo, Canva, or Adobe? Gamsgo has you covered with premium shared subscriptions for a fraction of the price directly from the distributor. Yes, Gamsgo is the shared premium experience that you've been looking for that saves a ton of money. I personally use Gamsgo for my Netflix, my Spotify, my Disney Plus, and my Crunchyroll subscriptions, and I have saved tons of money by switching to Gamsgo. Switching to Gamsgo is as easy as clicking the link in the description or up in the title card, which will take you to the main Gamsgo website. Select the services that you're looking for and buy them. But to show you how easy it is, we're gonna take 30 seconds and we're gonna sign up for Netflix. So we've clicked the affiliate link and I'm gonna click purchase now on Netflix. Now we have an option to buy 3 months or 6 months. I'm gonna buy a 6-month membership. I'm gonna say activate auto renewal because you don't wanna miss out anyway. Now in my case, I only need one profile. That means that I get one of the 5 included shared profiles with my Netflix account and I can install it on one device in my home. Do you have multiple devices in your home? You might want to switch to the 5 profiles option, which also unlocks multiple devices so that you can use all of your profiles across multiple devices. But in my case, one profile is plenty. Now, this is the most important step. It's gonna say, do you have a promo code? Yes, I do. And the promo code is GEARS. We're gonna apply our promo code and it's gonna say, this is a valid promo code. We're gonna click to go to payment and then we're gonna enter in all of our details. This is a one-time payment of just $21.26. That is crazy cheap for premium Netflix on one device with one profile. I'm going to pay now, I'm gonna enter my credit card information, and that's it. Once you've paid, you get immediate access to Netflix, and it's as simple as logging into your Gamsgo account, getting the username and passkey, and then going to legit Netflix. Now it's gonna immediately say, well, who is this? Now I am account number 3, Gears and Tech, and it's gonna ask for my PIN code because I locked this down. Once I have my PIN code in, now instantly I am in the full premium Netflix experience. This gives me HD Netflix, I can download it, and it's that simple. And it works the same on all your other favorite streaming platforms. This is truly an amazing deal, you don't wanna miss it. Click the link down below to grab your deal. Now in here we have a light bar. This is not just your typical light bar. I'm actually really excited to check this out. So let's dive right into this one. Now light bars come in all different sizes and colors. And there was a couple key factors that I wanted to keep in mind in the light bar that we got. So I'll explain those in a moment. First of all, this comes with a thank you card. Thank you from Nilight. You are welcome. Also comes with the light bar itself. Now, don't worry about those pieces sliding around. That's actually on purpose, and I'll show you why. This is a 20-inch light bar. The reason I got the 20-inch is because I drive a Ford F-150, and the 20-inch light bar will fit nicely just inside the grille, where it'll look nice and flush and won't kind of stick out like some of these other light bars. So I'm going for more of a discreet look. And we've also got this, which looks like it's wiring. I'm just gonna pull this all the way out and see. We've got some fuses and some crimp connectors. We've got the wiring. It comes with the relay already installed, easy ring connectors to connect straight to your battery for direct power off the battery, but also a selector switch which will install inside the cab so you can turn this on and off and pick the mode. And if we go all the way to the other end of the wiring, there's some ends here that are exposed. We will cover the actual installation in a different video. It also comes with this bag of screws for mounting, and that noise you heard of the rattling is actually these little screws in here that allow you to position those brackets exactly where you need them to attach this in an easy way. Now some of the features of this light, it's all aluminum construction. It's got the built-in heat sink in the back to dissipate a lot of the heat away from here so you can get them super bright. But the main thing that I got this for is its dual mode. This has 2 colors, yellow and white. And the thing I like about that is if you're in a foggy situation, you actually want orange light. The white light just makes a wall of mist that you can't see through. And that's why true fog lights are actually yellow or orange. And so this gives you the full proper fog light that'll cut through all of your fog and snow and hail and any kind of environmental conditions. But if you're in clear weather, you can switch to the white spotlights, which will light up plain as day as if you're driving not at nighttime. And that was the main factor that I wanted. I wanted 2 in 1. Now, this has a total of 420 watts of LEDs, and you can have them all on at the same time. Using that multifunction switch, you can toggle between all of the settings that you want to completely control the light output of the light the way that you want. Now, this does have an IP67 waterproof rating, so that's waterproof, dustproof, hailproof, smokeproof, really pretty much all of your off-road abuse that you can throw at this thing. It's gonna hold up quite well to that. It's a universal install design, so the brackets will allow you to mount to pretty much any vehicle. In our case, we're going to install it, like I said, on our Ford F-150, but you can install it on the roof if you want. You can install it on bush bars, you can install it on roll bars, you can install it across the windshield, in your bumper, below the bumper, on the hood, wherever you want. It supports a wide range of installation scenarios that best suit your needs when you want to add that extra visibility at night. And that's the big thing for us. So with us traveling down back roads through areas that aren't going to be lit at all, this is very important, especially when you're towing a trailer. So when we couple the tailgate light with this front light, we are going to increase our safety by a ton. Now, I know a lot of you guys are already freaking out about 2 things. First of all, it is not strictly legal to use lights like this while you're driving on the highway, especially in the United States and Canada. However, you can mount this as your one fog light option, which there's specific rules about how it would count as a fog light. It has to be mounted lower than your headlights. In our case, it definitely will be, but also you have to aim it properly. Now, especially in our case, because I know I'm going to be towing and I know my truck squats a little bit in the back, I'm going to be mindful of setting the aim for when I'm squatting so it still hits the road properly. And you do see that in the install video. So if you're curious how to do that, check out that install video because it will walk you through exactly how to make this safe for oncoming traffic and safe for you. And that's super important for a lot of people because many people do not go through the process of aiming these things properly, and you're just a blinding wall of light, making everyone else unsafe while you can see where you're going. So be respectful of other drivers and make sure that you install these properly. The tailgate light, it's not really that hard to screw up, so you can install it however you like. But again, we show you how to do that in the other video. If this is something that's on your mind, certainly consider checking the link down below for some of the other products that are available through Nilight. They have a ton of lighting products, and I'm excited to get these ones installed, but also to review ones in the future. So check us out in those videos as well. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video. We'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.